Open your internet browser and search for DS4 Windows. DS4 Windows. I'll leave the link in the description below. Click on the first link. Click on download. Now scroll down a little bit and click on download again to download the file. After the file is done downloading, go to the default download location on your PC and then right click on DS4 Windows zip file. Click on extract all. Now click on extract again. A folder will automatically open. After extracting, open this folder, DS4 Windows folder, and then open the DS4 Windows application, the one with the colorful icon. You'll be prompted to download this software as well. So click on download it now to automatically download it. If the downloading doesn't start within 30 seconds, you can click here to download it manually. So my download is done. Let's go back to the downloads folder and run that software, the runtime software. Click on install to install that software. Now let's go back to the DS4 Windows folder, the extracted folder, and reopen the DS4 Windows application. This time you will not be prompted to download another file again. Select program folder. Let's close this window. Now click on step 1. Step 1 to download and install the needed drivers to use our PS4 controller on our PC. Click on step 1. You have to do step 2 if you are using Windows 7. But if you have Windows 11 or Windows 10, you just have to do the step 1. So it will start downloading from 0 to 100 and it will start the installation process. Click on next. Agree to the terms. Click on next and install it. Now that the installation is done or the files is done downloading, click on finish. And to use your PS4 controller on your PC, you need to plug in the charger that came along with the PS4 controller or your Android cable, the micro USB part into the PS4, and the USB part into your PC. Your computer will start setting up the new device, which is the new PS4 controller that I just plugged in or you just plugged in. After it's done setting it up, you can click on start at the DS4 Windows application and you can use the PS4 controller on your PC. To use the PS4 wirelessly on your PC, click on settings, devices, turn on Bluetooth, and on your PS4 controller, hold the share and the PlayStation button at the same time. The light on the PS4 controller will start blinking. Now go back to your PC, add Bluetooth device. You see it as a wireless controller. Click on it to connect it. After it is successfully paired, the light that is blinking on the PS4 controller will stop. So stop blinking and the light will be on without blinking. Now you can use your PS4 controller wirelessly via Bluetooth. Go to the DS4 Windows application, click on start, and you can use it to play any game on your PC. Another tip that I'll give you is not to delete the extracted folder because it contains the DS4 Windows application.